Okay, it is time once again for our main battle.
And this will declare the winner. Will I
This will actually declare the winner.
Finally.
If he doesn't, then he'll still suffer the ridiculous pain, the sweet pain.
I won't let you win. I will defeat your streak, however many times you beat my Marth. But then again, I beat your wolf off camera, so that. Yeah. But anyway, it has to be on camera.
You actually did beat it off camera once, but that was on Broken Boys, not on my side.
Oh. Still, I must try my best. And don't you dare go easy on me.
I never
I'm joking. I know you wouldn't anyway.
What is this? Wolf vs. Marth number 8?
I don't know.
Or something like that? I gotta go recheck it again. I could be wrong. Maybe it won't be 8. I think 7.
Whoa, nice. Oh, God. Oh, what? I didn't block that?
Oh, what? No grab? Really?
Uh-oh.
I'm just trying for a good air combo there.
Oh, what?
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, fucking K.
Whoa. Oh, what? Whoa! What? Oh!
Alrighty. Alright, this brings bullshit to a new level.
Wow. Okay.
Wow. Why not air dodge that one?
Come on. I just need one more win. Just one more delicious win.
Yeah, I know I wasn't gonna do it in that other direction. Ooh. Come on. No. Yes, come on.
No.
Hey!
No!
God.
When?
I don't know.
I ever beat you, Wolf. You damn. Oh, good match though.
Yes, very good match.
Kudos to you.
Okay, so that's it.
Kevin's the winner of top 5.
Yay, top 5.
Rock and roll game indeed.
Oh,
to you, Kevin.
Yes, thank you very much. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed that.
I should.
See you guys. Next time, maybe, I don't know, what other vids can we do today? Maybe we have time to do one extra one.
Okay. So,
but on a different game though. But alright, but yet again, hope you guys enjoyed this one.
Yep, we're gonna be rock and roll in the new game. See you there.
Alright, bye.
Bye.